Hello all, welcome back. Today I am here with new topic and that is public service sector. In this video we're going to understand what is public service and what are the services. So before proceeding ahead, let us see what is public service. Public service is a service which is provided by government to people living within its country, either directly or by financing private provision of services. A service performed for benefit of public, especially by non-profit organization supplying an essential commodity such as communication or transportation. An employment within a governmental system to provide public with all required services on behalf of government is known as public services. I hope you got an idea what is public service. So now let's see some more points. Citizens of the nation are the main resources of a country. A country should bear all responsibilities regarding the basic needs of their citizens. So a nation provides many types of services in its own or undertaken organization. These services are called government job to serve the citizens of the country. There are many provisions with the country for health, education and security. General public are the major concern of public service profession. They are directly benefited by this profession. I hope you got some more idea on it. So let's see one important thing. Government establishes office in every district and region of a country to provide different services to its citizens. The organization like district administrative office that takes care of the security of people, provides passport and distributes citizenship certificate to the people above 16 years of age. School and college are established to provide education. There is a provision of health posts, primary aid centers, and hospitals to provide health service. Police and armed force service provide security and maintain peace in the country. Public service also includes birth, death registration, marriage, and migration registration. Different organizations commonly work for development of the nation. All these services are made available to public by government and other organizations. I hope you are understanding, right? Okay. Some professions are private and some are public. Private organization also does the same work but with the permission of the government. This includes teaching, medicine, police, army, administrator, bank, telephone, television, radio, broadcasting, health service, agriculture, etc. are all basic requirements of the citizen and these are provided by the government. I hope you got an idea what is public service and what are the services includes, right? Okay. So if you want to know more about public service, then visit www.psc.gov.np. Visit this website. You can see I've given the link below as well. Okay. It is the website of Public Service Commission. Simply say in Nepali we say usually Lok Seva Ayog. In this website you will be getting more information about public service. So if you are having any question or any confusion regarding to this topic, then comment below. I will reply back to you. Okay. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the upcoming video notification directly. So very soon I gonna get back to you again with new topic. So till that time, goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.